Welcome back to another video. Last episode you would have seen that we just got the freshly rebuilt engine back in the HK. And now that the engine's back in the car, we've come down to Addicted Performance to get the car dynoed and tuned ready for racing. Alright, so we're at Addicted Performance in Hallam. Going to get the HK dynoed, so we're going to start getting that car off and get it loaded up on the dyno and see what numbers she makes.
Just here at Addicted Performance. Dako's just got his new state-of-the-art fan. He's imported straight out of the States.
So the car's loaded up on the dyno, just check the timing and put some Tailem and Nitrous in the car. But yeah, Dango's about to jump in and give it its first pull with the new engine, so let's see how it goes. You ready? Alright, so this first pass is going to be aspirated and then we'll jump on the bottle and see what it makes after.
I was looking, I could see it. It's in the gully. So I reckon the auto leg's dropped. Yeah, it's gone now. Just in that front end, something dropped in there. That broke down a bit, did it? First aspirated pull. We'd like to thank Ethan from Kick Electrical for leaving some wire in the exhaust and having a small fire, but that's okay. Thanks, Ethan. The idea of going from a 3.7 to a 3.5 hasn't really worked with no nitrous, so aspirated. But we'll wait and see what happens when it's on the bottle.
Alright, so first pass on the dyno for the HK, obviously just an aspirated pass. It's gone and made 313 kilowatts. Not as high as you would think, but it's also got different diff gears and the cam's also built for the nitrous setup, so obviously it isn't going to make all that much power aspirated, but that's fine because most of the time we're only racing this nitrous anyway. After its first pass on the dyno, we then go over it, checking the data and making sure everything's running fine.
Not the feeling?
This next pass will put its first small shot of nitrous in it, but first we check the data and do another check over the car.
yeah, first pull on Nitrous, 175 shot, almost came on par from what we had a 275 shot in it, so it's just more efficient. So now we're stepping up to a 225 shot. See what happens. I was staring at that fuel gauge.
That just felt good.
So
It
made
sounded good, felt good. Like it come right up on the roller, like it hasn't done that before. You know what I mean?
So the
That
fuel,
felt really good.
that gauge didn't even flicker.
Perfect.
So we're not going.
It's a touch still. Yeah, I'd race with it like that. You know, like it's touch rich, but just nice. You know.
So yeah, just come off the dyno. We've made 551 at the wheels. So yeah, that's 1 horsepower more. Sorry, 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt more. For I was only $2,000. That's right.
Yeah.
Plus $2,000 for this freshen up. Anyway, we're happy. Nothing's broken. We did change diff gear, so it's kind of confusing it all. To see how much power it made against the old combo, but we're going to find out next week.
But yeah, we're at 250 each shot instead of 275, and we're at the same power level.
Oh yeah, so 225 shot.
225.
225 shot.
That's right. Yeah.
Instead of a 275 shot.
Yeah.
So with 50 horsepower,
50 less.
down. Yeah,
Making the same
power
Yeah.
and a different rate and gear ratio.
Different difference.
So. Stay tuned.
Promising.
Promising. Yeah, it's happy. And you can feel it coming up on the roller eventually after it took half an hour.
But, yeah. I did feel good. That felt smooth. It was good.
Yeah. Fuck, it's raining.
Sounded nice.
Is that pissing down? Fuck. I've got a bonnet. Yeah, I'll just pull the plugs out. I'll turn it over when I get it home.
You got the air filter's going to come out now, isn't it? I reckon that'll be better as well.
This is the whole thing. It was your idea. Yeah, get some air in there. Because the last scoop was like, it was here.
Yeah, really
and
close.
it was like it was 1 mil.
Yeah.
And I had that down-turned, filter cover as well.
Yeah.
So literally, that was touching
on top of it. Yeah.
on the top of it. So it was just sucking from the top.
And that's a wrap for today's episode. A big thanks to Danko at Addicted Performance for his effort in getting the car ready. Thanks for watching and I hope you all enjoyed the video. But be sure to stay tuned for next week's episode as we make the drive across the Tailem Bend to prep for 950 class at Drag Challenge 2025.